In this video, I will be showing you how to generate AI videos using VO in Gemini. So let's get started. So the main disclaimer is, if you are having a free plan of Gemini, you won't be able to generate videos. As it clearly says here, generating videos with Gemini generally requires a paid subscription. And here you are having the plans. We are having the AI Plus, AI Pro or AI Ultra. So if you are having any of these plans, here we can perform video generation, but in the free plan we cannot do that. So here I am having a free plan. As you can see, we won't be having the video generation option under tools. But here I am having a paid pro plan, and if I click on tools, I'll be having here a video generation option. So make sure that you're having the paid subscription. After that, just click on this create video. We'll be getting some default templates like this. If you want to try that out, click that. After that, you can customize it with a prompt or your photo. If you just want to go plain text, you can simply remove this. I am already having here a prompt, so I will just copy it and paste it. You can even dictate the prompt through microphone, so I will just submit it. So the video generation has begun. It's saying it will take around 1 to 2 minutes. So I have got the video generated, and it says you can generate 2 more videos today, and this is the video. Damn, that looks super hyper realistic, and we are also having the background BGM and the audio also. And if you want to convert image to video, you can also do that. You can simply upload your image and give it a prompt over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.